Welcome to Plasnewydd in Llanfair PG. We've got gardens, we've got history, we've got love, romance and scandal. So, let's get started, shall we?
Set alongside the magnificent Menai Strait on Anglesey, North Wales, this elegant house, redesigned by James Wyatt in the 18th century, sits among breathtakingly beautiful scenery and has become famous for its enchanting gardens.
The visitors can expect very, very varied gardens. There's 169 acres of woodland, grassland and very different gardens like the Italianate terraces, the Australasian arboretum, the area called the West Indies that has specimen trees on a great big lawn. A highlight for lots of people is our rhododendron garden, particularly in late spring and early summer. It's absolutely fabulous. We've got 5 acres of the world's best rhododendrons under the canopy of Scots pines. And of course we've now got our new tree house, which we built about 2 years ago to replace one that was falling down, and that's very popular with the children.
Yes, it's easy to see why you'd want to live here, and the history of the people who walked the staircases and hallways, entertained their friends and lived their lives here starts with this guy.
This is William Henry Paget, First Marquess of Anglesey. He was at the Battle of Waterloo where he lost his leg. He was granted the title of Marquess in recognition of this. He was then given a nickname One Leg for the rest of his life. He became famous as a soldier, a sailor, a bit of a dandy, wonderful chap really. And one of the amazing things we do have here is a museum where you can see all sorts of amazing things, such as one of his false legs and the uniform he was wearing at the Battle of Waterloo. Henry Cecil, the 5th Marquess of Anglesey, spent the entire family fortune in just 7 years on things like jewellery, cars and lavish theatre productions.
But one of the property's most special treasures is the breathtaking Rex Whistler painting housed in the main dining room.
Whilst he was working here, Rex became great friends with all the family, especially the current Marquess, who was a young boy at the time. Here you can see him in the painting with his favourite fishing rod. There are lots of examples of Rex putting the family into the painting, none more so than Caroline, the eldest daughter, with whom he was hopelessly in love.
Plasnewydd surely is a magnificent property, epic views, beautiful gardens, and who could forget the characters that bring the history of this magical place alive.